Hello everybody, and welcome to this tutorial about how to download Python and get it working on a Windows computer. So the first thing that you'll want to do is go to python.org. This is the official site for Python. And mouse over Downloads, and it should be able to deduce which machine you're using. And you'll see a button that says Python with a version number after it. This one is 3.9.1. Go ahead and click on that. And once that's done downloading, you can click on that, and it'll run an installer. And you want to be... Now this part is very important if you want to do anything with Python from the command line. Check this Add Python 3.9 to Path before you do this. And then just click Install Now. And so this will go through installing Python. Alright, and if everything went well, you should see something that says Setup was successful. We'll go ahead and close that, and then X out of this, and into Visual Studio Code. The Visual Studio Code, it really could be any text editor or any terminal that you want. I prefer to use Bash, particularly MinGW64 Bash and VS Code as the text editor, but this is mainly going to focus on the command line use of Python. So to check the installation, type python --version. Whoops. Alright, and you should see something that says Python 3.9.1. Python 3 is different. It will try to use the Windows apps version of it, which we don't really want. So just Python should suffice, assuming that you don't have, different versions or conflicts like that. So yeah, Python --version returns Python 3.9.1. And of course, if you type python-i, you'll get into the interactive Python interpreter where you can just run Python lines. And with Python, pip should also be installed, which is Python's built-in package manager. And just to check that, let's go ahead and pip version. And yep, that is the most up-to-date version, 21.0.1. And to install Python modules, you run pip install, and then really whatever you want to install. It looks like I already have that one installed. Yeah, so that's how to install Python and to make sure that it works on the command line. If you want to run a Python file like this test.py, all you need to do is make sure that you're in the correct directory by typing ls and seeing test.py, and then type Python and then the name of the Python file, and it should run. And yeah, that's basically it. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comments, and have fun programming in Python.